Okay, I have another lock that I received from Jerry. I believe this one's all standard pins. It is a 6-pin Kwikset. It does work. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway. Let's see if we can use this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, pin 6, pin 5. Okay, pin 2 and 1. Let's go to the back again. Okay, I think pin 5 is set, and then there it is on pin 3. Okay, this is just all standard pins in this lock. So, see if we can get the clip off. Take a look at it. Okay, let's pick up the follower now. Okay, this one I don't think will work. Let's see about the other one. Okay, maybe we don't have the other follower here, so let's turn this around. Let's take it out like this. We'll look at the pins. We know they're all standard. Okay, 6 is standard. 5 is standard. 4 is standard. 3 is standard. 2 is standard. And 1 is also standard. Nothing been changed up about the plug or the Bible. This has the, I believe, original pins that came in the lock. Not sure. Someone may have replaced them. Okay, standard, 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 standard. Okay, all the pins in the bottom are also standard. Okay, thank you for watching. I please appreciate it. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. Thank you again.